Good morning, guys, and let's start off with how wrong can a man be? Well, actually, not that wrong, because we are still here on EU. We are still inside this range, and we still had the idea of coming above here and getting lower. However, I personally didn't expect price to move up even higher, which is great because now we filled this entire area. We tapped into this area, took more internal range liquidity here. If we look at the 4 hour and especially the daily closure, that's looking good as well. So the idea of moving short is still there. Let me charge my laptop real quick. There we go. Um, why is it charging? However, I didn't expect price to move this high. What I also said, and I wrote this while doing my chart analysis yesterday, or while being on the charts. And that's why I prefer to wait for another additional confirmation. See, didn't play out. We had that break, and that's why I wanted to wait for a confirmation there. So this was slightly too high. The time frame. We can remove all this now. Hold up. It's all noise and a mess, and we don't need that. Funny. Look at this. Pull it across, bounced up here, and then moved away. Actually, these supports are slightly lower. There you go. Look at that. Support and resistance area. Something like that. Yeah, it's looking clean. There, then here, there, here, there. Gap, gap. That's bounce. Move away. Oh, sorry. So this can go as well. Get the mic a little bit closer so you can properly hear me. Last leg we're working with at the moment is let's remove all that. It's all noise. We don't need noise. Potentially. All right, so yeah, been wrong for now, especially on GU with that inside, outside, inside story. Been completely wrong. I said I don't expect price to come up higher. Well, it did, which is actually in terms of DXY analysis and combined with EU is a nice thing. I will show you in a minute. Actually, right now, there we go. Because EU, and that was my point where I said like EU shouldn't turn bullish, it should remain bearish. And that's what happened. You remain bearish, although we create a bullish structure here. Oh, okay, it turned bullish, but we still have this like bearish leg going on where we want to move lower and target these lows. So yeah, we still have more than enough room to move bearish. And the thing is now that GU lines up with EU, kind of. Mm, am I saying that correctly? No, not really. So EU is bullish now, and GU and DXY are in line and they are bearish. Um, 1 hour. Yeah, that's pretty super clean. So we've got a sweep there. And we've got a POI over here. The form of that. Oh, 50-minute supply zone there. And from here, sorry, we can move lower. So done the analysis, done the markups. Um, so first things first, we have bank holiday in the US. It's Independence Day. So during the New York session, there will not be much volume. There won't be a lot of volume. What am I looking at for today? So we know that we broke above. We didn't follow the most recent structures. In the end, it turned out price was indeed building up liquidity, and this was indeed a bullish break where we took the liquidity at the downside here, and then followed by another bullish break to the upside. Now we took internal range liquidity. We have this overall, oh, sorry. We took internal range liquidity. We have this overall lag to the downside. We return to premium pricing. So what do we expect? Lower pricing. And although EU doesn't look like this, sorry, let me remove that first. Can we take off the drawing, please? Doesn't let me, so I have to do it manually. Okay. So although EU doesn't look that is not bearish as GU, we have this first slight tap into the premium here. Well, it's so minor that this break I would count as a fake break, and that's why I still count this as my bearish range. Although I see here clearly bullish structure, this is still the range I'm interested in. And that's why I point this out as liquidity, and this is liquidity rather than a bullish break. So what am I expecting now is that price is up here now, and from here I'm expecting price to move down to get below. Even if price doesn't move down all here, we still have this bullish leg, and we can take trades from this area. Now looking at how price is formed, I don't see any reasoning to look for shorts. Doesn't fit my plan. So today we'll be sitting on the sidelines until price breaks above previous daily highs, and then I will be able to look for a short. Other than that, we've got previous daily lows down here. Whether that's the area I want to long from, I don't know. If we go to the 15, we can see that we have that little break there. If anything, this is our zone, but that's already mitigated properly. So it will be something like that. Or something like this. And then this is your internal range liquidity. And you would look to long like this from here. Below that liquidity. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for EU. Both areas are quite far away. Although the euro area didn't yet get the time to react to the news, so whatever Powell said yesterday, I have to still check it. Um, it might step in during the morning session, and then we have pure death, or at least I imagine or expect is no volume during New York session. Sorry, I couldn't find my words there. GU pretty much straightforward, same thing. Didn't get a proper break either. No proper structure to work with. However, we are looking to short from here, so we might wait for previous daily highs and then get lower, or price just moves without us. It'd be like that. So yeah, quite easy, straightforward thing there. Yeah. So for today, I'm sitting on the sidelines. I'm not taking any trades, at least not this way. And DXY did what I had to do, and that's good because it built up liquidity to the downside, to the upside, sorry. Took into the range liquidity to the downside properly. And just like GU, I'm expecting a move now. So let's see. Although we have this bearish structure now, I'm expecting this to happen. Yeah, it was nice, quick one. Just what I'm looking at, not really covering any breakdowns or deep stuff right now. We'll leave that for later. Also see that we reach back into discount here, and we're looking at bullish structure. So that's the thing where alignment, different alignment, different levels. So yeah. Anyway, I'm leaving it with this today. I'm on the sidelines today, so I will leave the analysis to you guys. And if you do have any questions, just hit me up. Catch you guys later. Peace.